कळंगूटचो आमदार मायकल लोबोक मंत्रीपद दिवंक नाशिल्ल्यान तांचे सपोर्टर बेजार जाल्यात। गोंय राज्यात भाजपाचे सरकार घडोवपाक मायकल मुखेली आसा, मात इतले आसून तांकां मंत्रीपद दिवंक ना। आता फुडलो स्टेप कितें आसतलो हाचेर आमचें लक्ष आसा म्हूण शॉन मार्टिन उलयला। सोमारा कांय आमदारांक मंत्रीपदां दिल्यात आनी कांय जाणांक काडल्यात, मात मायकलाक कांयच दिल्लें ना अशें तांचें म्हणणें आसा। एडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
Well, we are very much disappointed that our MLA didn't get the ministry, because as you know, Amza MLA was key to forming the government. This government was formed because of our MLA, wherein he tried to convince our allies and all joined hands to form the government. And even now he has performed. He has performed in his first term. He's also performed now, and he is the one MLA who is connected with the grassroots, with the people in the grassroots. I felt if this ministry would have gone to him, the government would have been strong, because he has friends in the coalition. Masood is a friend, and BJP as well, party is also with him. So if they had brought him as minister, the government would have been strong. Everyone speculating the government is not strong, government might fall. But if they had given Michael Lobo, it would have been strong. But now again, hard work, it looks like hard work has not been paid by this decision. But since the party has taken the decision, we have to wait and see how things work from here on.